या वेरी गुड इवनिंग गाइस। मेरे स्टूडेंट का इंटरव्यू कल गुड इवनिंग में ही है सुप्रीम कोर्ट जूनियर कोर्ट असिस्टेंट का। फिलहाल ये ऑलरेडी इनकम टैक्स में मुंबई में पोस्टेड है। ओके, वहां जल्दी में मॉक हो रहे हैं, थोड़े स्पीड में और ज़्यादा समय नहीं दे रहे हैं। 1.5 मिनट, 2 मिनट, 2.5 मिनट, 1 मिनट भी बहुत कम ही। तो सीधे गुड इवनिंग बोल के स्टार्ट करो बेटा। मैं सीधे आपके प्रोफाइल पे आता हूँ, काम पे और आपके एजुकेशन पे और आपसे रिलेटेड सवाल पे।
गुड इवनिंग सर।
वेरी गुड इवनिंग। Currently you are working.
Yes sir, I'm currently working in income tax department on the job profile of tax assessment.
Okay. What is preceding, what is assessment year?
Sir, assessment year, I will explain it by an example. For example, if you are talking about 25-26, that will be the assessment year. But the assessing year that the year you're assessing is called the financial year, which is called the previous year. So the 24-25 will be called the financial year, and the after year is called the assessment year.
And you will also know that financial year, budget year is called 25-26, and economic survey we will survey the past thing, जो बीत गया उसका सर्वे करते हैं, यानी सर्वे 24-25 का होगा।
Financial year.
Okay.
Yes sir.
What is your work profile? Please explain in brief.
Sir, my work profile majorly involves work of assisting my superiors, whether they are joint commissioners, deputy commissioners. Currently, I am assisting 2 income tax officers. They are called ITOs. My work is to majorly prepare and draft notices, send those notices, and take a follow up the notices. Similarly,
okay, what is the difference between drafting and noting?
Sir, in noting, we just take the notes and add the remarks, whereas in drafting, we prepare the formal written statement. We prepare a document, formal document in drafting.
And what is notice?
Sir, are you talking about the notices in the income tax or in the general notice?
No. You have mentioned the word notice. I'm talking about your profile.
So, sir, yes, sir. So the assessees that we receive, the list of assessees that we receive, so in the starting we ask them whether they have filed their return of income. So for that we send them notices which are covered in different sections, which are like 159, 159, etc.
Is there any tax slab, if you remember?
Sir,
according to this year budget?
So there are 2 different tax slabs. One is in the old regime and the second one is in the new regime. If you want to claim more deductions, like for home loans and etc., you can opt for old regime, whereas for the new tax regime, you can have deductions up to 75,000 for the salaried employee.
Okay.